To install your Era Protect outdoor camera, the first thing you need to do is choose your location. Once you've done that, use the enclosed template to mark and drill your holes. Once you've drilled your holes, you need to attach the bracket to the wall. You then need to pass this cable through to the inside of your property and screw this to the bracket. From the inside of the property, connect the cable to the connector box and connect the power cable to the other side and then power on. Now that your camera is installed, you're ready to connect it to your account. To do that, open the Era Protect app. From the camera dashboard, press Add New, choose Era Protect Outdoor Camera and follow the steps to add the camera to your account. All of our products come with handy quick start guides, which you can refer to throughout the installation process.